to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Metallica. We are going to react to the song The Day That Never Comes. Let's get started.
Like a
No,
purring
no,
cat.
it's Metallica.
I'm waiting for Metallica. It's been a long time. Let's hope this song does our reaction justice, or is it the other way around? Only time will tell. 7 minutes 57 seconds.
Of song.
Oh, it's almost as long as someone stood on someone's neck.
That was
Anyway.
8 minutes first and something.
Put their knee on someone's neck.
Yeah. whatever.
Almost as long, that's what I'm saying. Let's get started.
Yeah. First time listening to this song. Let's get started.
No pun intended.
Okay.
Born to push you around, better just stay down. You pull away, he hits the flesh, you hit the ground. Mouth so full of lies, tend to block your eyes. Just keep them closed, keep praying, just keep waiting. Waiting for the one. The day that never comes. Will you stand up and feel the warmth? Sunshine never comes. No, the sunshine never comes. Push you cross that line. Just stay down this time. Hide in yourself, crawl in yourself. You'll have your time. Gotta make them pay. Take it back one day. I'll end this day. I'll splatter color on this gray. Waiting for the war.
Ah, wow, this is quite a trip. This is quite a
Wow,
trip.
wow.
I'm assuming this is what makes the crowds go wild at a Metallica concert.
Yeah.
And this, I'm also assuming this is early Metallica because of the very heavy and intense nature of the lyrics and the music. The entire arrangement of it was dark, intense, even borderline depressing. The first couple of verses
It
at
is
least
slow, yeah.
very dark and depressing, and then I realized why it is like a lost cause and the person is losing hope. It's because it's some kind of prison camp, or you're in a torture chamber of some kind, maybe referring to the Holocaust period, maybe referring to someone who's imprisoned in a basement and being tortured, raped, molested many times a day, maybe referring to someone like that, who knows. But it's very deep, very dark, very intense, and kind of depressing. But yes, there is one way out, and it seems like the person is willing to take that way out, and that is to end things. And I hope that that is misinterpreted by me or misread by me. Incidentally, the person who made the lyric video
He-
turned sun into
I know,
S-O-N.
what is-
But anyway, that's
was
okay.
that on
That's okay.
purpose?
That happens.
Okay.
That happens. Oh, you mean the person is pregnant?
I don't know. Was that on purpose or actually it is S-U-N?
Don't know.
Yeah.
That will give a whole new meaning to this
Yeah,
song.
exactly. I
What
was
are your
thinking.
thoughts anyway?
I like this song. I like this song. In fact, I love this song. It was mind-blowing music. The other half of the song, I like the music even while the
Let me
vocals
try
were
and
going
check
on.
if the lyrics are different.
And it is the Metallica style. The vocals, the moment the vocals fade away or are done with, they get full-fledged into the music because James Hetfield also plays one of the rhythm guitars and he gets into it completely full-fledged with the drummer. So you get to hear that. This could be from one of those songs where, Frayed Ends of Sanity, Sanatorium, and all those songs were there about somebody's state of mind, somebody's mental health, and those topics that Metallica covered, because the music was very similar to those songs.
Yeah, not
Frayed
sure. I'm
Ends
not
of
sure.
Sanity. I remember that song, and this was like that kind of musically, very hard hitting. And but towards the end, they took it to another height. They play like literally like machines playing. That is the speciality. I loved listening to it, and the way he sang also, he put in the exact amount of emotions, feelings that the song required. It's about someone who's always pushed around, someone who's always suppressed and oppressed for some reason, born to feel that way, or they don't have a brighter future no matter what. Things can change, but their life does not change. And it's saying not to.
That is a spelling mistake, by the way.
It
It's
is
S-U-N,
yeah,
not
I
S-O-N.
think, yeah.
At least as per what came up on the phone.
In the lyrics, okay.
Unless the person used those same lyrics to make the video. And both are wrong.
And both are wrong. Okay. But it has to be sunshine, yeah.
What do you
S-U-N.
think is happening? Is it a prison or is it something else?
I'm
you
not
think?
sure about prison or not prison. It does say you're in prison, but it could be a metaphor as well for life. Is what the message of the song is. If Mahatma Gandhi used to say, if someone slaps you on one cheek, don't get violent and give a slap back immediately. Wait for that moment. Take it. There will be justice done at a later date by God.
There are certain lines in the song which could be analyzed for a very long time.
Yeah.
One of those lines is love is
Love
a
is a
four-letter
four-letter.
word
Yeah.
here in this prison.
Yeah.
So love is a four-letter word here in this prison. We all know what that four-letter word is. In prison,
Wow.
there are two of them. One is F, ends with K. One is R, ends with E. So there are two of them, very common, especially in Western prisons, Latin prisons, Latin American prisons. Very, very common, these two words for love. And so it seems like it's someone who's trapped in there and every single day being loved multiple times.
Ouch.
Wants to get out of there first opportunity or end the life because it's so bad.
It could be then literally be about the prison life.
It's hardcore. It's always nice to leave things incomplete, and Metallica does it so well. At least leaves the ending. Not that they leave
You
too much
find your
incomplete,
conclusion.
but it's like a Persian movie, an Iranian classic movie, where the ending is left to the listener or the viewer, in our case, viewer and listener, going through the lyrics, is left to us to decide what happened to that person. Or what's even happening to that person while the song is being sung. So it's so hardcore, the ending, you wonder what's going on. You know, you don't know what exactly has happened, but you go by the lines, and the line seems to suggest that person is kind of ending things that
He's
night.
planning. He's definitely planning.
Ending
for
things
something.
at night.
Yeah.
Yeah, whether ending his life
Or the
or
perpetrator.
her life or someone else's, not sure.
Something action is going to happen. So far, he's been taking.
What
the
did you think about the music, the guitar work, the drumming?
I like the guitar. I like the drumming. It goes full fledged, and nobody who likes Metallica cannot like this song.
Yeah.
It is
It's
as simple as that.
It's a quintessential
It's a-
Metallica
yeah,
song.
it's a proper
Though I
Metallica
would
song.
still say it's early Metallica. I would be quite startled and shocked if this was recent
After
Metallica.
90s.
Recent
yeah.
Metallica.
Recent is not that.
After 95, I would say.
Yeah, yeah.
If it's anything after that, then I would be really startled.
Okay. Nice. Very, very nice song.
That's it for this one. Goodbye.